in 3, 2, 1, go!
This match should be a really high-scoring one, as we have two teams, both with autonomous going. So looks like Blueprints is going for their two specimen, and Webb is also going for their fourth sample. But they did miss the first sample, and also Blueprints missed the second specimen, unfortunately. Webb has two samples in the high bucket right now, and Blueprints just went for their second specimen, but they just barely missed it. And then Webb goes for their third sample. This is a very high score.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
With the decent non-penalty high score of 137, they're already almost halfway there, and so we can easily break that with this match today. Webb has quickly already scored one for the spike marks, and they just grabbed another one. They're up to 6 already. No, 5 already. Meanwhile, Blueprints, not to be outdone, goes to grab another of their alliance colors from the submersible. 106.73 goes to grab another yellow sample. It looks like they missed it a bit, and they just decided to put it in the net zone instead. On the red field, there's so much action going on right now. Webb EXE has now gone up to its 7th sample, and they're just cycling extremely fast from the submersible. Blueprints is still also cycling pretty fast, and they stockpiled up to 6 specimens now. And if they could score all of those, that would be a lot of points. Not to be outdone, though, Blue is also going for specimens of their own. They scored one on the high chamber, and 21808 is also going to be cycling out in the net zone. Webb is continuing their tried-and-true strategy of just cycling samples as Blueprints goes for their third specimen. With 52 seconds on the clock, it looks like both of them have more than enough time to score all of the samples that they stored in their human player zone onto the rack. 106.73 specimen just falls out, unfortunately, but 21808 is about to put its fifth sample into the net zone as Blueprints puts its fifth specimen on the high. That has gone our highest total yet of 12 samples to the high bucket, and they're not stopping yet. They still got 23 seconds.
Looks like Brent's going to go for another specimen here on that top rung. Looks like we might break that score of 200. If they can,
106.73 is going for a climb, and it looks like Webb has 8 seconds left, and they're going to try and get a last-minute buzzer beater sample to get the 200, to get above 200.
2, 1. No!
Robots.
This is a high-scoring match.
Well, let's see what they get from the last year.
Red scored 214.
That's a lot of points.
Score.